What's good, YouTube? So we obviously had a big push up yesterday, and then a move back down. We've been starting to rebalance price a little bit into this big ass imbalance. We also came into this breaker block. It looks like we started to reject. Got this little imbalance that we've respected so far. Really need to scale in to see what we really have been doing. There's no imbalance on ES at all. We have a 1 hour fair value gap. And we are in a downtrend at the moment, so we created a fair value gap right here. We did not break through this low or close below it. I mean, we did break through it, we did not close below it. Small retracement, we never even reached up into here for real. What we did on this candle. Push down, then we broke below this low. Another retracement sweeping out these highs. Big push down, so let's mark that out real quick. So we actually came very close to equilibrium already, but we're also in a downtrend on the 1 hour over here with more displacement to the downside. So you can see we're a little bit more aggressive on NQ, rebalancing prices back down. We're also in a 1 hour fair value gap at the moment. And obviously we can expect, this doesn't mean it's going to happen, but we're in a downtrend on both pairs already. We can expect that this fair value gap is going to hold and we reach this 50% mark and probably tap into this imbalance. Right? That would just make sense based on what we're doing right now with this bearish order flow. Especially since we held the 4 hour, held the 1 hour. We're in a downtrend. Let's scale in a little more though. We want to get real detailed with this shit. Alright, this is even better. Now we haven't hit equilibrium with this leg down yet, but we came very close. I'm actually going to shrink this down and refine it to this 15-minute fair value gap. Oh, we just opened up. I actually want to scale out to the 1 minute real quick. Hold up, what time do we have moves? Because it looks like we could take an entry very soon, actually. Because we swept these highs right here. Is there any SMT? Yes, there's an SMT right now as we speak. Now, when we have an SMT like this, technically we don't need to see a market structure shift, but I'm going to wait for one. And we also hit the 50% of this. I just deleted it, but we got these relative equal lows all throughout here. This setup might actually be better on ES. Let me make sure I'm logged in. Alright. Is that SMC still holding? Yes, it is. I might actually sell right now. But that's not going to be a great RR, is it? I might take this on ES. Now this is a risk. Really, the SMT, the 15-minute fair value gap, the equilibrium with this leg down, the fact that we're in a downtrend and we need to see these lows is why I want to get into this. But I want to wait for a market structure shift. I'm just worried that I'm going to be a little bit too late. Because nah, fuck that. Don't worry about that. Sometimes with SMTs we don't need anything except for a push down type shit. But I'm gonna wait for a market structure shift, and I'm taking it on ES because it's a lot cleaner. And I like the equal lows right here. I'm gonna do 3 contracts right here. I still need us to push down though. We didn't get a strong enough. We didn't get no move below low yet. So I'm gonna need a different entry. I don't even care that we got an SMT. But I will journal this if we sell off without me. Alright, that SMT did not hold at all. Might want these equal highs up here. Now we're starting to sell off. It kind of looks like we finna consolidate. By the way, it's pushing back up right now. I need another strong candle to the downside. I wish that SMT ain't get ran through. I'm gonna take this. $3.5. God damn. Yeah, we're gonna do 3 in there. Hopefully the 5-minute closes bearish down here in this area. I have a lot more confidence in this. And again, probably leave a runner to 1 hour fair value gap down there. I'm gonna sell 1 down here. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna just put it at the edge right there. Looks like we just got filled. We took the high on ES. We took the high on NQ over here. We haven't taken that high over here. We tapped into mean threshold of the 5-minute order block. So let's see how we react. We could start to sell off now, but we also could push up and take the high just like ES did. But I liked this setup when I was looking at it, when I got into it. I liked the setup. I was confident in it. I took the sell, so I'm just gonna wait. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. We should not be up this high. Mean threshold got closed above. In my mind, we should sell off here based off everything the price is telling me, but sometimes you just are incorrect. So we're gonna sit here and wait. Now we got SMT up here too. Remember I said be careful when and where you move your stop? Well, I'm moving my stop right here. Because I don't want to see this high get taken. And we could reject this and use it as inverse and continue to the upside. But if this sell-off is actually significant, if it means anything, we should not come back up to this high. So I'm standing on this. If I get stopped out and then we reverse right after, I wouldn't give a fuck. I mean, I really only moved it like 2 ticks down. Like I almost got stopped right here. So I might buy both back. I ain't gonna lie. Right there. Instead of letting one run down here, I don't know. We're gonna see. Chop, 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 chop. That's all I'm saying, bro. Like, bro, what the fuck are we doing? Just sell your ass off, man. Hit this fucking target and stop playing, man. I don't got time for this shit. I do have time for this shit, but I don't got time for this shit. Go ahead, bro. Come take out this low. Then come hit this 1 hour fair value gap, bro. Alright? Stop with the fuck shit. We know exactly what you want to do. Yeah, I'm keeping this down here. I'm pretty confident in this down here, so 15-minute was rejecting like a motherfucker. Yeah, go hit that low. Thank you for listening. Stop fucking playing with me, bro. Just fucking go. Look, I like how this trade is going my way, but why the fuck did I have to sit through all this drawdown? And why did the 5-minute get fucking closed above, but we still sold off? Why did all this shit happen? Why did we come up and sweep these highs again? Like, why did we do these things? This is what I want to know. We still respected the 15-minute the whole time. But why did we do these things? Hopefully Justin makes a charting video, bro. I need one bad. And I'm finna watch Tanya. If she's on live right now, I'm finna watch her after I get out this trade. I don't like watching people live trade while I'm trading because I don't want no outside information. I don't want no help, and I don't want anybody to fuck me up. Like, fuck up with my bias, fuck up with my head, and I don't want anybody to confirm my bias either. I want to just do this shit all on my own. That way I know it's me. I'm actually trading. I'm actually the one who's doing this shit. There was no outside influence at all. So, once I get out this trade, I gotta go see what the fuck they thought about the markets today and what they were doing. Cause I might get a better understanding of why certain things are happening. We done been in this position so long, I kinda just wanna take everything off right here, but I know it's likely that we continue down to here, so I'm just gonna move my stop to break even and let it play out. Boom. Just got tapped out. Now let's move our stop down to these highs. Moving right here. Perfect. And now we're gonna see if we continue down. Now let's see what the hell we just made on that trade. I think it's more likely that we come back up and rebalance a little bit. Nah, fuck that. Let's continue to watch. Continue to wait and see, baby. Yo, that was a long ass time though, bro. Like, fuck. Bro, I got so close to getting stopped, bro. That shit is fucking wild. Look at that shit. And yesterday's trade on NQ. Nah, I actually got stopped at break even, but after I modified my stop loss the first time, that shit almost got so close to getting stopped too, and it went in our favor. A little weird, bro. It's been doing that shit a lot. Hold up, bro. I think I posted a video. I made it private though, cause I just did not feel like editing. I didn't feel like editing it, and it took forever, bro. It took forever to. My bad. The trade took forever to play out, and I really wasn't talking at all during the video, so it was like there's no point in posting this shit. I'm gonna show y'all. Well, I'm gonna check and see, cause this is very important. All right, so look at this shit, right? I made this private because look how long this is. Hold up. 2 fucking hours. And I promise you this shit was so slow, bro. But look, we had this huge sell-off. We had the SMT right here. It was a whole lot of shit, but I was very bearish. I waited for a lot of confirmations. Boom. I get in right here. Right. Let me try and skim through it. I ended up getting out because of this candle right here. I don't know, just I wanted to risk like, I think it was $12, but I just couldn't because one contract was more than $12 with this side stop loss. But I needed my stop loss up here to risk, to allow for price to go up there, basically. I forgot, I think it was some type of news or some shit that day. When was this? The 18th. It was some type of news this day, 4 days ago. And I didn't want to risk a whole lot of the money. So I was risking a lot less. Oh, and we had a big, okay, it was a no news Monday. There was a big move during the overnight session. And what was the third thing? It was just low probability in my eyes. But nonetheless, we had some decent action. I didn't expect this action at all. Did Justin make a video about this? My bad, I'm all over the place, bro. Y'all gonna be alright though. I took a small loss on this, maybe like $4. Really a break-even trade, but we ended up selling off and hitting my target. This would have been a fucking beautiful trade. Very, very little drawdown. It did take some time to get there though. So really, that's 3 trades this week that hit TPs. 2 of them got stopped at break even. Well, this one was my fault, so I can't even count this. But yeah, that's interesting. Boom! So we got stopped at break even. Let me take this by. Let me go. Dang. Alright, so yeah. I mean that's that. Not much to say. I hope y'all enjoyed today. I still need to figure out what the fuck was going on and why we chopped so much today. It might have just been because of power, to be honest. Regardless, we still hit our target. Ain't much to say. I made about $32, I think. Let's see, account summary. Orders. Alright, so gross P&L is $36, total P&L is $32.77. 2 trades. I don't know why it says 4 contracts. I only had 2 contracts. Why does it say 4 number of contracts? Yeah, that's all we got for today, man. I'm gonna catch y'all sometime, some point. Who knows when? Maybe this weekend, maybe not. But I'll see y'all, man.